So I'm here with Joey with 10X Innovations, and I want to show you a product that hasn't been released yet, but I promise you it's a hardware retailer here pretty soon. So let's go ahead and give you this preview. Go ahead and kick it off, Joey.
Okay, great, thanks Mark. So yeah, what we have here today is a product that allows any leaf blower actually that you may already have or want to pick up. It allows that leaf blower to also serve as a mosquito spray device. Actually, you can control a number of insects with it. But basically what it does, it has a 48-ounce tank. If you're going after mosquitoes, we have an all-natural product that we put in it. There's a pump and a battery here that actually propels the product out the nozzle, attached to the blower. Now, with the blower blowing, you can put that product 50 or 75 feet down the line. So it's ideal for backyard mosquito control, ant control, any number of insects that you might want to go after in your yard. You know, the beauty of it is I think that it allows you to use one device for multiple things, especially if you already own a blower. Totally makes sense, I think, to have this attachment on board. So we're here at the show looking for feedback, and we're actually getting a lot of really good feedback. The product is currently in beta. Prototypes are now out there being tested. So we look forward to hopefully a licensee coming along and picking this product up, which would mean then it would be available hopefully in big box, online, any number of places.
Thanks a lot, Joey.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Good luck.
Thanks a lot.